Hi guys, in this lecture we will discuss about how to start the debugger sessions. Starting a debugger session is very similar to running the program in normal mode. The debugger is attached behind the scene, so you don't have to do configure anything specific to start a debugger session. If you are able to run your program from IntelliJ IDEA, you will also be able to debug it using same configuration. While IntelliJ IDEA provides a way to debug simple applications without any extra setup, some tasks may require working with run debug configurations just like with regular running of the program. Each time you debug a program, the debugger session is based on run debug configuration. It allows you to configure parameter and action for launching the application. For example, you can specify to build the application every time you start a debugger session or use the previously compiled code. You can also use VM option, custom class path values and so on as long as the selected run debug configuration support this. To run program from an entry point such as the main method or a test, we can simply click on this run icon in the gutter. Near it, just select this debug one, click on it. It will start debugging the current application. The other way is we can right click on the context in the editor menu, and from here we can run it. As already it is running, it is doing build, so that option is showing as a grayed out. This will create a temporary run debug configuration for us. After that we can run, customize and save this temporary configuration if needed. This is the quickest way to debug our application without configuring the startup parameter. So already I ran this application, so for me it was showing here. So that's why it didn't show that configuration. We can create a configuration also from here, debug configuration. Here we can see modify run configuration. So this way we can do some configuration while running and debugging our application. If we are debugging code that is based on a framework or runs on an application server, it is recommended to use the run debug configuration type intended for this type of application. When you launch a debug session, IntelliJ adds a VM option that allows the debugger to attach. Given that a particular framework may fork the process, there is no guarantee that the target process will get required VM option if an improper run debug configuration type is used. So this build is still in process.